Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you the easiest beatbox sounds for absolute beginners, and this will be a tutorial. Once again, the title of this video and the topic of this video is the following. In this specific video, I will specifically be showing you the easiest beatbox sounds for absolute beginners, and this will be a tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. So if you want to make some beatbox sounds, this is exactly how you do it. We're going to start off with the easiest one, in my opinion, which is the hi-hat. And it's also the one that you're probably going to use the most. Now, the hi-hat sound is very simple. It is going to be something like... So I'm using my tongue to create that sound. It's almost like a T sound, but it's just, you're not using as much air, you're just using a little bit of pressure from your mouth. That's the hi-hat sound, okay? And there are variations, which I'll go over later, but I'm gonna try and get you the basics first. So the hi-hat sound, we've already gone over. Now the bass drum sound. The bass drum is just very simple. It can be that, or I don't usually do, that's like a different variation of it. I usually do the, it's almost like a B sound, but once again, instead of using air, you're just using mouth pressure. I'm gonna be spitting all over my camera lens if I keep doing this. Okay, last but not least, excuse me, I do apologize. I actually just finished some of my lunch. I had a few slices of pizza, so I do apologize. I'm gonna try and, keep my burps down, but they might come out, okay? So, excuse me. Now that I've excused myself, we can move on. I have to be polite, okay? Anyways, we can move on. So the next one that we're gonna go over is the snare drum, which is gonna be like almost like it's like a like a CH sound, but just instead of using air, it's just a okay? When you bring those together, okay, so you can basically use those sounds and you can manipulate them. So what I did there was a... So I'm adding in other syllables almost. So instead of going... I'm going... I think when I described that, I didn't do a very, very good job, but you can hear what I'm trying to say. When I tried to replicate it by telling you what I was doing, your best bet is just listen to what I'm doing and then you can figure it out. I'll slow it down. Okay? Very simple. And you can also change the sound. You can include a sound like that. When I make that sound, I'm going like this, but just keeping my teeth together. It's like almost like a sucking sound with the tongue, but keeping my teeth together. Anyways, you guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, everyone watching this video, excuse me once again, you get the idea. Those are just simple beatbox sounds. Hopefully you can use them as a basis and then you can get better. But that's just a quick little video about basically just the basic sounds that you can make with regards to beatboxing and how to use them properly. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, but I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.